everybody, we're back. Our second trip of 2024. It looks like she's got the first fish of the day. Thank God we've been here over an hour. That's the perfect bait for those double 8-0 hooks. So I'm expecting the same type of day. We was only here just 4 days ago. So the little black tips, and maybe we can get a bigger one. So let's see. Okay, looks like she's got the second fish. Hopefully it's a whiting. Doesn't matter how big it is. And it's another little small whiting. So now we got plenty of bait for that double hook rig. Yeah, it's perfect for the bait. It's a little windier today than the last trip, and it's actually pretty damn cold out here. Okay, this is the same setup I was using a couple days ago. Those two 8-0 J hooks with a little cut whiting. That's what I'm going to use all day. I might put a shark rig on it later, but you can get the little sharks and the bluefish with this. So that's why I'm going to use it. Plus I'm going to use a 4-ounce sinker today instead of a 5. Oh, that couldn't have been what that was. You think? Well, that bent the hell out of that rod. It was holding it down too. Maybe there was another fish on there on one of them other hooks. That's good, a third whiting, plenty of bait. The cut bait rod has got just a couple little tiny tips, and that's it. And it's pretty windy today. Okay, she's finally got something. It's been about 2 hours and we haven't caught anything. Well, I thought he was bigger than that. That's a good size whiting. I thought she might have had a black drum or something. We just put fresh fish bites and sand fleas on there. And it wasn't out there 2-3 minutes and she got it. Hold it up. Yeah, we're probably gonna let him go. All right, good job. Okay, just like the last trip, the little bluefish are tapping on the cut whiting with those 8-0 hooks. I don't want to switch to smaller hooks and then get burned by a shark or a big redfish or something. Okay, stick it back in there. All right, well, we got plenty of cut bait. We got about 2 hours to go, so maybe we'll get lucky. All right, we're struggling to film anything today with the wind. She caught a little tiny bluefish and she reeled it all the way in before I got to the camera. Look at it, it's probably 8 or 9 inches long, and she caught it on the fish bites. I think we've only caught 3 bluefish on the fish bites. That's the little bluefish messing with them 8-0 hooks on the cut bait rod. Okay, definitely let him go. That's one thing with the long shank hooks that we use on the sand perch rigs. It's easier to take the fish like the catfish and the bluefish off. All right, there he goes. Let's see what we Is it another one of those super tiny bluefish on the fish bites? Did you have a sand flea on there too?
No.
Okay. 4 whiting and 2, we've never caught bluefish that size. Those are the smallest bluefish we've ever caught. Yeah, it's been a tough day today. Sometimes the waves come up all the way up to the chairs. Maybe she's got another one of those mini bluefish. Little whiting, definitely let him go. So that's 5 whiting and the 2 micro bluefish. Okay, we're not going to be here much longer, so I'm going to put 2 oversized pieces of that cut whiting on there and throw this out there, let it sit out there for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to put this rod up and she can continue to fish. Because we've been here about 7 hours, we can't stay here all day. Eventually we got to go home. All right, we're wrapping it up. It was a long, tough day, but she did catch 5 whiting and 2 little bluefish. We're going to try to get back out here as soon as we can.